Starved Rock, and that's in middle of Illinois. And if you guys happen to be here, I am in the St. Louis Canyon. Well, I'm on top of the St. Louis Canyon right now. And if you're thinking about coming here, I don't think this is the appropriate canyon to bring kids, because I'm on the walkway right now, but if you can see 3 feet off the path, you're gonna fall about 60 feet, probably to your demise. So plenty of options when you come to Starved Rock, but if you have little kids that are rambunctious, St. Louis Canyon is not the one to go to.